Hello friends, how are you? Welcome back to my channel, Therichpost. Myself Ajay, and I hope you are doing great. So guys, in this working video, I'm going to show you the beautiful DSpace another theme in Bootstrap file and fully professional and fully responsive. So friends, before showing you working demo, I must say please watch the video till the end and please subscribe my channel for latest updates. And also if you will have any kind of queries, session requirement, then feel free to comment on this video. Also, please contact me via my blog, therisbook.com, contact us page, email ID, WhatsApp number, and Upwork ID as well. Also, you will get multiple free stuff on my blog. And now, back to DSpace theme. See, guys, the beautiful DSpace theme, the top section, the nav, the backend beautiful image, and the search section. Like I say, hero section. Scroll down little bit, see recent submissions, see guys, and view all section as well. Communities, see friends, engineering, medical, computer science, management studies, law policy, and social science. Scroll down, feature research, see friends. These are the feature researches. And browse by subject, see guys, computer science, medical science, engineering, business management, law policy, social science, mathematics, and environmental studies. The stat section, total items, authors, communities, and downloads. Now the beautiful footer section. So guys, I hope you will like it, and also comment on this video as well. Like it and share it. And after it, I will cover more stuff. And if you will have any kind of DSpace work, then feel free to contact me anytime. And in the end, I must say thank you for liking this video. Thank you. Have a nice day. Take care. Bye bye.